Hello traders, today's top stories. The broad markets have been cautious early as investors are starting to position themselves for the Federal Reserve's decision midweek. It's Monday, June the 12th, and here is our New York review. U.S. investors finished last week with the Dow Jones Industrials touching record territory, but the S&P and Nasdaq produced cautious trading and slight declines. The U.S. Federal Reserve will publish its interest rate decision on Wednesday, and many analysts believe another hike will be delivered by the central bank. Today, the Federal Reserve Budget Balance Report will be brought forth, and tomorrow, inflation data will be released. Political drama will continue to come from Washington, and investors will have to grapple with more congressional hearings, which will affect trading sentiment. However, the Fed's coming interest rate decision will be the critical focal point these next few days and will fuel the broad markets. Asian equities have declined today. The Nikkei and Hang Seng Composites led the slump, but it should be noted the major indexes remain in positive territory over the past month. The core machinery orders report from Japan this morning proved extremely disappointing and unfortunately builds on the rather lackluster economic data from the nation over the past few weeks. The Bank of Japan will issue their monetary policy decision on Friday. The yen has been stronger against the US dollar, and the 110 mark remains important. The yen has exhibited strength the past couple of weeks, and this may be a sign of declining risk appetite. European equities have opened with losses today as cautious trading has taken hold of the broad markets. The pound has remained under pressure as political chaos appears to be festering within the Tory government as Prime Minister Theresa May's leadership is coming under fire. The Bank of England will release their monetary policy summary on Thursday. Industrial production numbers were released from Italy today and proved negative. However, Emmanuel Macron's political party scored a big win yesterday in the first round of legislative voting in France. The euro has been range trading today against the US dollar, but is likely to become a speculative and volatile trade midweek. Gold continues to face some short-term headwinds after losing value late last week. The $1,270 US an ounce level appears to be important, and traders should expect fast markets to develop for the precious metal in the coming days as the U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate decision grows closer. The U.S. will release its Federal Balance Budget Report at 6 p.m. GMT and will be looked over by investors. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful trading day, and we will see you again tomorrow.